Hi, to change date and time on your Xiaomi Mix Flip, we would need to open settings first and here scroll a bit till we could see this tab additional settings. So now just simply select date and time, and here to change date and time we would need to disable those switchers to set it automatically. So just tap on this set time automatically to disable and do just the same for the time zone, just like that. And now we can change date and time. So go in the date first, here select another date, and now we can also change the time. For example, let's set 10 a.m. And now we can see how the time changed in this upper left corner. And also, as I said before, you can disable to set time zone automatically, and you'll need to select any other time zone from the list just by tapping it like that, and here will be your new time zone. So that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.